So before me even start this review, guys, our new vlog channel with me and Soulful TV is up with our first video. It's a Q&A with all the juicy questions being answered. It's gonna be linked in the description box. So today's video is actually going to be a review of Vybz Kartel featuring Ishawna Washer Dryer song, and what I feel about the song lyrics, what I feel about the collaboration, everything leading up to this collaboration. We just go talk about everything. So a few days ago, Vybz Kartel dropped a collaboration song with Ishawna called Washer Dryer, and honestly, I felt so about the song, but after listening to the song constantly, going through the lyrics, I never write down the lyrics, me just go through it, listen to it. I feel like the lyrics are not up to par to me, to what Vybz Kartel is normally known for, normally doing. It's not up to par, but the song is very catchy. I can say that the song is very catchy. Ishawna is very controversial, so I feel like with Vybz Kartel being very controversial himself, I felt like it was a good collaboration. And while we're talking about controversy, we can talk about the whole Miss Lou saga. Ishawna recently put up a picture and said she don't wear tablecloth like Miss Lou, and everybody got all up in arms about it, said she's dissing an icon and all that stuff. Yes, Miss Lou is an icon, and yes, she did a lot for Jamaican people, but Ishawna has a right to her perspective and right to say whatever the hell she want to say. It's a free country, free nation. We can do whatever we want and say whatever we feel to say. That's neither here nor there. Tanya Stevens jumping ahead for defend Ishawna. I realize nowadays that Tanya Stevens always not everything like she has salt or water. Like every single thing that comes up, she in always have something to say, like, you're old, like, sit down please. That's exactly how I feel about it. And the song Washer Dryer, I felt like the lyrics were so, but the song catchy, yes. The song, is it a summer hit? No, it's not a summer hit to me, but it can go on. I'm sure it's gonna get a lot of play in parties, because the whole vibes of the song remind me of when I was childhood, and we just sing like soul liquor catchy song and they play around and all that. And this song also remind me of Kartel. You wanna talk in a gypsy or a piece of, like that song there. That's exactly what this Washer Dryer song remind me of. And with this song, I would like a verse. Basically, Ishawna sing the chorus, Vybz Kartel sing two verses, and I wish Ishawna actually sang a verse. If she sang a verse, I felt like it would have put the song together more. Like it would have made the song come together more. I felt like this was just a Vybz Kartel song and then make Ishawna sing the chorus, basically. And I felt like if she had a verse, it would have made the song like come together more. It would have made the song sound more fresh. Especially with her having all the controversy with equal rights and justice and the whole thing with Miss Lou. I felt like if she had a verse, like, it would be more solid. It would be a more solid song. But all in all, Ishawna is going to be Ishawna. Ishawna likes to stir up controversy. And I felt like she did the whole Miss Lou thing on purpose, because right after that, not right after, like a day after the Washer Dryer song was uploaded to Vybz Kartel Radio here on YouTube. So I felt like it was intentional what she did to just stir up the controversy, to do the publicity, so her name can start ring bells and people can start talk about her again, because she's gonna have work out there. And people have also been saying that she's been dropped by management and all sort of foolishness. Like, you know how the media goes and the rumor mills run and people run all these stories. Do I think that she has been dropped from her management team? No, I don't think so. But it is what it is. She's out here making moves, making money moves at that. Because if you're collaborating with someone with like Vybz Kartel, there's nothing but upward movements for you. Because in a dancehall music, once you get that sign of approval from a person like Vybz Kartel, or collaborate with somebody like Vybz Kartel, your thing shot automatically after. Just like, look at Shensia is a prime example. Once Vybz Kartel did that song with her, her thing went global, international, or like thing shot. Have she found another hit song yet? I don't know. But that's still up for debate. That's still up for discussion. More empowerment, Mr. Tooman, because dancehall music lacks woman, lacks variety. Like, man own dancehall music. So to see somebody like Ishawna doing her thing when people counter out and say, yo, people, Shensia, they come kick away her foot and all these things, to see her actually bounce back and actually have a song with Vybz Kartel, I'm very proud of her. Woman power, me say. Because it's very hard. It's very hard in a predominantly male industry to function and actually have people supporting you and respecting you and want to collaborate with you and all that. Enough people don't want to collaborate with Ishawna because of the whole equal rights and justice thing. But Kartel are the boss of all boss, and whatever him do, people follow. And once he collaborate with her, I feel like there's nothing but positivity. There's nothing but more money to be made as far as her career is concerned. And big up to Vybz Kartel, free the world boss. So that's my whole review. That's my whole thoughts and opinions on this whole story, from the whole Miss Lou thing to Tanya Stevens to Washa Dryer to every single thing. Comment in the comment section and tell me if you think that the whole Miss Lou thing was just a publicity make you talk, publicity stunt to stir up our name in the media. I have people talking about her so she can drop this song and have it be a hit, have people go check it out, look at it. Or you think she just unintentionally did it? Tell me what you think about Washa Dryer. Tell me what you think about Tanya Stevens if you're over her like I am. Comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a party here, man. Deuce.